Burning fat has become a tiring challenge with many strategies and almost no results. Are you feeling tired of fad diets that promise results but leave you hungry and frustrated? Here's the truth. Your body is designed to burn fat naturally, but the secret lies in what you eat. Forget restrictive meal plans or endless hours at the gym. Today, we'll reveal 16 powerful fat-burning foods that turn your body into a calorie-burning machine. These aren't just superfoods, they're science-backed metabolism boosters that help you shed fat effortlessly. Curious about what's on the list? Stick around, because fat loss doesn't have to be a struggle. Welcome to Levitas. When you lose fat, your body undergoes a process called fat oxidation. Fat stored in adipose tissue breaks down into triglycerides, which are further converted into fatty acids and glycerol. These molecules enter your bloodstream and are transported to mitochondria, your body's energy factories, where they're burned for energy. The byproducts? Carbon dioxide and water, which leave your body through exhalation, sweat, and urine. To maximize fat oxidation, you need a combination of a high-quality food plan, physical activity, and metabolism-boosting foods. So, what are the 16 best fat-burning foods? Introducing the ultimate fat-burning superstars. These foods not only fuel your body but also enhance fat oxidation, reduce cravings, and improve metabolism. Let's dive in. 1. Chili peppers. Capsaicin is the active compound in chili peppers. Heats your body up, boosting thermogenesis, the process of burning calories to produce heat. Capsaicin also curbs appetite, making it easier to eat less. Studies show it can increase metabolism by up to 8% for several hours after consumption. How much should you eat? Add half a teaspoon of cayenne or chili powder to your meals daily, or include 1 fresh chili pepper for a spicy fat-burning boost. 2. Green tea. Packed with catechins, especially EGCG or epigallocatechin gallate, green tea enhances fat breakdown and thermogenesis. Combined with caffeine, it boosts your resting metabolic rate, helping you burn more calories throughout the day. How much should you drink? Drink 3 to 4 cups of green tea daily for maximum benefits, or opt for matcha for a concentrated dose of catechins. 3. Ginger. This warming spice enhances digestion and fat oxidation. Gingerol, its active compound, increases thermogenesis and suppresses appetite, supporting weight loss. It also reduces inflammation, which can otherwise hinder fat-burning processes. How much should you have? Aim to incorporate 1 to 2 teaspoons of fresh or powdered ginger into your meals, teas, or smoothies daily. 4. Turmeric has curcumin, the star compound in it, which reduces fat storage and inflammation while boosting metabolism. It's especially effective when paired with black pepper, which enhances its bioavailability by 2,000%. How much to eat? Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric to meals daily, or take a curcumin supplement with black pepper for enhanced effects. 5. Black pepper. Piperine, the compound that gives black pepper its kick, stimulates fat oxidation and thermogenesis. It also improves the absorption of other fat-burning nutrients, like curcumin. How much to eat? Use freshly ground black pepper in your meals. About 1/4 of a teaspoon daily is enough to boost metabolism. 6. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats. Avocados enhance fat oxidation while promoting satiety. They also stabilize blood sugar levels, which prevents fat storage. How much to eat? Stick to half to 1 avocado per day to reap the benefits without overloading on calories. 7. Fatty fish. Omega-3 fatty acids in fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines reduce inflammation and increase the production of adiponectin, a hormone that enhances fat metabolism. How much can you eat? Aim for 2 servings of about 6 ounces each of fatty fish per week. 8. Cinnamon helps to stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing insulin spikes that lead to fat storage. It also enhances fat oxidation during exercise. How much to have? You can sprinkle 1 teaspoon of cinnamon on kefir, yogurt, or coffee daily. 9. Apple cider vinegar, also known as ACV, lowers blood sugar and insulin levels after meals, reducing fat storage. It also boosts satiety, helping you eat fewer calories throughout the day. How much can you have? Dilute 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in water and drink before your meals. 10. Beef is rich in high-quality protein, which increases thermogenesis and preserves muscle mass during weight loss. The iron in beef also supports oxygen delivery, enhancing exercise performance and fat burn. How much beef can you eat? You can enjoy 3 to 4 ounces of lean beef 3 to 4 times per week. 11. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts are rich in fiber and compounds like sulforaphane, which support detoxification and fat metabolism. How much cruciferous to eat? Include 2 to 3 cups of cruciferous vegetables in your meals daily. 12. Extra virgin olive oil is a heart-healthy fat that contains oleic acid, which enhances fat oxidation and reduces inflammation. This oil helps to keep you feeling full for longer. It also has polyphenols which help with fat metabolism and enhance your microbiota diversity, aiding gut health. How much extra virgin olive oil can you have? Use 1 to 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil as a dressing or cooking fat daily. 13. Kefir is a probiotic-rich fermented drink that improves gut health, which plays a crucial role in fat metabolism. A balanced gut microbiome helps stabilizing blood sugar, reduces cravings, and promotes fat-burning hormones. How much kefir to have? You can drink 1 or 2 cups of kefir daily, preferably unsweetened. 14. Flax seeds are high in omega-3s, fiber, and lignans. Flax seeds reduce inflammation and stabilize blood sugar, preventing fat storage. They also boost satiety. How much can you eat? Consume 1 to 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds daily in lemon water, kefir, or salads. 15. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are loaded with antioxidants and fiber, which improve inflammation, insulin sensitivity, and curb fat storage. Their natural sweetness also reduces cravings for sugary snacks. How much can you have? Enjoy 1 cup of fresh or frozen berries daily in your saladas or as a dessert. 16. Water is a very important liquid for staying hydrated, and it is essential for fat metabolism, as water is required for lipolysis, the process of breaking down fat. Dehydration slows metabolism and hinders fat loss. Besides, drinking at least 2 glasses of pure water at once, and mainly in a fasted state, can increase your energy expenditure, making weight loss easier to achieve. How much water you drink per day? Aim for 8 to 10 cups of water daily, or more if you exercise frequently. These 16 foods have the ability and nutrients to unlock your body's fat-burning potential while enjoying delicious, nutritious meals. In conclusion, in the journey to achieving fat loss, understanding the process and leveraging the power of fat-burning foods can be transformative. Fat elimination, or oxidation, occurs when your body breaks down stored fat into triglycerides, further converted into fatty acids and glycerol. These are metabolized in the mitochondria, producing energy and releasing byproducts like carbon dioxide and water. This process is enhanced by a synergy of a proper food plan, physical activity, and metabolism-boosting foods, our 16 fat-burning powerhouses. Among these superfoods, chili peppers stand out with capsaicin, which triggers thermogenesis and curbs appetite. Pairing these with a warm cup of green tea, rich in catechins and caffeine, provides an effective duo to elevate metabolic rate and energy expenditure. Adding ginger to meals not only aids digestion but also increases thermogenesis, making it an excellent ally in fat loss. Turmeric, with its curcumin content, fights inflammation and promotes fat metabolism, especially when paired with black pepper, which enhances curcumin's bioavailability. Combining these spices creates a metabolic and anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Similarly, fatty fish such as salmon provides omega-3s that reduce inflammation while supporting hormonal balance and fat oxidation. Nutrient-dense avocados are another star, offering healthy fats that stabilize blood sugar and boost satiety. Beef contributes with high-quality protein, enhancing muscle preservation and thermogenesis, while cruciferous vegetables deliver fiber and detoxifying compounds for improved fat-burning support. For those with a sweet tooth, berries satisfy cravings while improving insulin sensitivity. Cinnamon, known for stabilizing blood sugar, is an aromatic addition that complements fat-burning diets. Meanwhile, flax seeds bring omega-3s and lignans, supporting fat metabolism and satiety. Liquids like apple cider vinegar and kefir improve gut health and balance blood sugar, creating an internal environment conducive to fat loss. Finally, staying hydrated with water is essential, as it facilitates lipolysis, ensuring the metabolic process runs efficiently. By incorporating these 16 foods into a healthy food plan and active lifestyle, you can harness their power to boost metabolism, curb cravings, and optimize fat oxidation, making the fat-burning journey both enjoyable and effective. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.